Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to discuss proximity sensor or types of proximity sensors. So proximity sensors are those sensors which are used to determine the presence of an object without making any physical contact with the object. So these two animations, first and second animation shows capacitive proximity sensor and inductive proximity sensor, or working principle of inductive and capacitive proximity sensor. The working principle of proximity sensor is simple. A transmitter transmits an electromagnetic radiation or creates an electrostatic field, and receiver receives and analyzes the return signal for the interpretation. So there are three types of proximity sensors: optical proximity sensor, inductive proximity sensor, and capacitive proximity sensor. So second animation shows capacitive proximity sensor for the tin detection or for the faulty tin detection. So we will discuss all types of proximity sensor one by one. So first type of proximity sensor is the inductive proximity sensor. Figure shows inductive proximity sensor. An inductive sensors consist of a coil wounded around the ferrous metallic core. An oscillating detector circuit gives an output to the device. With the supply of voltage across the oscillator produces a high frequency field. When metal object is placed in the field, an eddy current is induced on the object. Okay, this is the basic principle of inductive proximity sensor. Means when metal object is placed in a field, an eddy current is induced on the object. So consequently, these currents result in the loss of energy in the oscillator circuit, which causes a smaller voltage of an oscillation. The detector circuit recognizes a change in the amplitude and generates a signal that will results in an output. Means inductive proximity sensor gives the coil generates a magnetic field that extend out the face of sensor. So figure shows inductive proximity sensor. It consists of amplifier, then trigger circuit, and amplitude drops. So if the metal object moves in the field, the change in reluctance of the magnetic circuit system oscillation frequency, and eddy currents are induced in the object. That's why the magnitude of coil oscillation to be reduced. So this is the simply working principle of inductive proximity sensor. So there are different advantages and disadvantages of inductive proximity sensor. So first advantage of inductive proximity sensor, they are very accurate compared, or they are very accurate as compared to or different compared technologies. Having high switching rate, then can work in harsh environment condition. These are the three advantages of inductive proximity sensor. And disadvantages of inductive proximity sensor, it can detect only metallic target and operating range may be limited. Then next type of proximity sensor is the capacitive proximity sensor. Capacitive proximity sensor figure shows the capacitive proximity sensor. Capacitive proximity sensor is the device actuated by both conductive and non-conductive material. The pairs of plates of a capacitor is separately or separated by some distance d, Depending upon the separation, the capacitance will be changed. Therefore, the proximity of the object can be detected if one of the plate of the capacitor act as a switch and other plate act as a metal object whose proximity is to be detected. So figure shows capacitant or capacitive proximity sensor. It consists of, or you can directly find out capacitance by using this formula: C is equal to A epsilon divided by D, where C is the capacitance, epsilon is the dielectric constant of the gap medium, then capital D is the gap distance between the probe and ground target, and capital A is the probe sensing area. So D is nothing but gap or gap distance between probe and grounding element. Okay, so this is the gap. Then you can directly find out capacitance of proximity sensor. C is equal to A into epsilon divided by D. The sensing surface of sensor probe is the electrified plate. The sensor electrons continually change the voltage on the probe surface. Means capacitive proximity sensors having amount of current required to change this voltage is measured. Capacitive sensing is the non-contact type technology suitable for detecting metals, non-metals, solid and liquid, although it is best suited for non-metallic target because of its characteristics and cost relative to inductive proximity sensors. Then advantages and disadvantages of capacitive type proximity sensor. It detects metal, non-metal, liquids and solid. Second, can see through certain material or product boxes. Then used for solid state or long life. Then many mounting configuration. These are the different advantages. And disadvantages: length is short or short, 1 inch or less. Sensing distance varies widely according to material being sensed. Then second one, very sensitive to environmental factors, humidity, water climate or coastal climate can affect sensing output. And third disadvantage, not at all selective for its target. Control of what comes close to the sensor is essential. So these are the different advantages and disadvantages of capacitive proximity sensor. Then typical application of proximity sensor. So animation shows different application of proximity sensor. So first application, liquid level sensing. With the help of proximity sensor you can directly sense the liquid level. Sensing through side glass to watch liquid level, such as batter of food processing or ink for the printing application, insertion through sealed tubes into drums or holding tanks for chemicals. Then second application of proximity sensor, product filling lines. So this is very important application, product filling lines. For the bottling application such as shampoo, full case detection to ensure that container has required number of products, or checking material levels such as cereal in boxes. So this is very important application, product filling lines. Then third application, plastic part detection. Means you can directly detect the plastic part, means plastics on product package such as spouts on laundry detergent boxes, plastic material within a hooper. Then fourth application, pallet detection for material handling. Means you can directly detect faulty pallets on the conveyor, or pallet detection for material handling. And last application, irregularly shaped products. So object randomly oriented on the conveyor belt, highly textured object. So these are the 5 typical application of proximity sensor. Liquid level sensing, product filling lines, plastic part detection, pallet detection for material handling, and irregularly shaped products. Then another application, first is the detection of bottles, then second parking camera, then third object detection, and automatic door opening closing. So these are the another application of proximity sensors in day to day life.